Hello everyone, this is Sean with Pew Pew Tactical, and today we're doing a field strip and reassembly of the Arex Delta. To begin, we push the magazine release and remove the magazine. Next, pull back on the slide, make sure that the weapon is empty. Now, pointing the safe direction, press the trigger. This is very similar to a Glock. You pull on the takedown levers on both sides while simultaneously pulling back on the slide. Once this is done, you can release the slide and simply pull it up. You don't have to slide it forward to pull it out. With the frame to the side, we can compress the recoil spring, set it down, push back and down on the barrel to get it out. This concludes field strip. For more information on concealed carry handguns, head over and check out our guide at pewpewtactical.com. For reassembly, start with the slide, reinsert the barrel from the bottom with the lug down. Push it back, then compress the recoil spring until it seats on the lug. Should look like this. Finally, set the slide a little bit in front of the rails and then push down, and once it's lined up, pull it back to get it on the rails. This concludes reassembly. Now let's function test. Again, pointing the weapon in a safe direction, press the trigger and hold it back. Rack the slide while holding the trigger down. Now, release the trigger slowly until you hear reset. Press the trigger again. Now finally, reinsert the magazine and pull the slide back to check for last round hold open. This weapon is functioning fine. This has been a field strip and reassembly of the Arex Delta. For more information, please head over to pewpewtactical.com, your definitive source for guides, gear, gun reviews, and all things that go bang.